So guys, today my cigarette lighter is not working right there. This one, it's a Kenworth T680. Let me show you guys where's the fuse is and how to get it working back again. Sorry. So I just took out this. Let me see. I show you guys how to pull it off. So that's how it is. Just pull this thing out. Sorry, my logbook is in the way. And so this thing is dirty. And look for the fuse. The fuse is for the cigarette lighter is right there. E5 cigarette lighter is a 15 ampere, and as you can see, E5 is right there. So if you put this thing like this, we will be able to see it and get a plier like this. It's easy to pull it out. So the 15 ampere is like this, like this. So I can see the fuse is right there in the middle, as there's a blue one and it's like a purplish bluish, like a very dark color right top of this relay. So let me pull it out and I show you guys. Just, I don't know what this wire is. So you can do it like this, and so I got it out. And as you can see, I think it's pretty burned out. It's burned out. You see the little line is broken. So what I'm gonna do, I have this new one. I always keep this one extra in my truck. And as you can see, this is a 15 ampere, and this one always keep the extra fuses, and 15 is right there. It's this blue one right there. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one. You can see this one, the line is connected. This is a new fuse. I'm gonna hold it like this, and I kind of know where does it go, but you guys can hold it like this. And for me is to hold it with this one is kind of hard. So let me see. You see, you can put it like this and just push it right there on the top of this one. Like let me, you see the light is right now on. That's how you guys fix a cigarette lighter.